Let's continue with our grouping function. This time we will apply it using multi-indexing. Let's start. We will use regional indicator and country name as indexes to group the data and find mean of numerical columns. In this example, we will use GDP per capita and social support to calculate mean. Perfect. Let's say we wish to run this analysis just for South Asia and Southeast Asia. As seen earlier, Python Pandas has one of the best filtering methods. Let's see this in action. Create an array of territories by assigning it South Asia and Southeast Asia. Now let's rerun the grouping example, but this time applying filter to world data frame. Perfect. Now you see the mean of GDP per capita and social support only for Asian countries.